In this video we will show that 5 plus 3 root 7 is an irrational number. Children, in such questions it will be already given that root 7 is an irrational number, so we don't need to prove that. But even if it is not given in question like this, that root 7 is an irrational number, so we can assume it that root 7 is an irrational number. That means we don't need to prove root 7 is irrational. So if we are going to show that 5 plus 3 root 7 is an irrational number, root 7 is already irrational, which will help us to prove it in coming steps. First of all, let us assume that five plus 3 root 7 is a rational number. That means we have to assume opposite to the hypothesis given in the question. So if 5 plus 3 root 7 is a rational number, so we know that a rational number can be expressed in the form of P upon Q or A upon B. So 5 plus 3 root 7 is equal to A upon B is rational, as we assumed it. Now, to solve this, we have to make one thing sure, that root 7 is an irrational number, and against this we have assumed that it is rational. So we will try to transpose the numbers with root 7 one by one this side, so that at last root 7 remains alone in this side and all the other numbers are transposed to this side. Okay, so first of all we are transposing 5. So 3 root 7 is equal to A upon B minus 5 is rational. That implies 3 root 7 is equal to, let us take the LCM of this part, A minus 5B upon B is rational. Now children, you have to keep one thing in mind, that when you are transposing numbers from this side to this side, you have to solve this part always to reach to the last value. Without that we cannot comparison both the sides. So you have to solve this part till the end and then we can compare with this. So here one more number we have 3, and which is in multiple with root 7. So root 7 will be equal to A minus 5B upon 3B. 3 will go in divide, is rational number. But now you can see here, as we cannot solve it further, and here root 7 is alone in this side, so we know that root 7 is irrational. That implies on one side we have irrational number and other side we have a rational number, as we assumed. So irrational cannot be equal to rational. Irrational number is not equal to rational number. That means what we assumed, that 5 plus 3 root 7 is a rational number, makes our assumption is wrong. That means if our assumption is wrong, and our assumption was 5 plus 3 root 7 is a rational number, so being wrong, having wrong assumption, we can say that 5 plus 3 root 7 is irrational number. So in this way we can solve all the questions like this in which we are given combination of rational and irrational numbers. Our task is to transpose all the numbers to that side so that the root number remains alone and we can compare as irrational cannot be equal to rational. So this method will work for all the questions like this.